In this video, I'll show you how you can change your LinkedIn language on your phone. To do this, simply go and open up the LinkedIn app and click on your profile picture in the top left. From there, in the bottom left, click Settings. And now what you want to go and do is click Account Preferences. Then, under General Preferences, you can see Language, so go and click on that. Then if you're using iPhone, you will need to follow these steps. On Android it may be slightly different, but here you will find these steps. So if you're using iPhone, now just open up the Settings app. And from within Settings, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the home screen here and then click Apps. And then just gonna search for LinkedIn. Then from there you want to click on Language in the bottom and then set your preferred language. For example, set it to Dutch. And now you want to go and reopen the LinkedIn app. And now as you can see, everything is in Dutch. So that's how to change the LinkedIn language on your phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.